Hey, it's Aran here. In this tech tutorial of Systeme.io, I'm going to show you how to remove access from somebody who had previously access to your online course if you want to remove them in case they ask for a refund or something along these lines and you want to just remove their access. So you just basically want to do this following steps. So this is my test account. Now, one thing is you'll notice that this is where usually the contacts in the CRM is for all your information. However, the access to courses is all covered under this section and you need to go to students. Now, once you're under students, you're going to now search for the person's email address. So in this case, this is the email address that is my test email address. You're going to click on it and here you'll be able to see what things people have access to or don't have access to. So for example, in this case, I'm going to dismiss and click on confirm and I'm going to basically remove access from the one thing. If I want to activate it, I can just click on reactivate. And if I want to give them access to a course that they never had access to before, I can choose one of the courses here or a bundle here. The way to create those courses and bundles, you simply click on courses or bundles and you can follow the steps to create it from there. But this is how you can dismiss access. Dismiss simply means that people don't have access to it anymore and they will not be able to log in anymore to that particular course. One other thing you should know is depending on the course that you have created, and I'll show you an example. This particular one, Website Creation Optimization 14-Day Challenge, I'm going to go to that course right now. It will still be visible on their dashboard, but they will not be able to access it. It will take them to the sales page of that particular product. So basically, it's a great way to cross-sell. However, it will only take them to the sales page if you have actually set it up that way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to that particular challenge and I'm going to show you what I've got set up. So let me just go find it right now. So here it is. I'm going to click on this part right here, which is the settings. And then you'll notice if you scroll down that it is directed to a specific sales page. Now, if it is directed to a specific sales page, it will still show up in the dashboard. And if they click on getting access, it will take them to the sales page. But if it is set up as just choose a funnel and be blank, then no, it's not going to be visible at all. So in case you're still seeing it and you're like, oh my God, it shouldn't be visible. No, it will still be visible if you have a sales page attached to it. In this case, I don't actually want to have a sales page attached to it, so I'm just gonna not have it, but I did want to make sure that you're also aware if you're not seeing it disappear or dismissed, that's why. So again, go to students and then do the search for the student. In this case, it is this one, and then click on dismiss for whichever one it is you want them to not have access to. That's about it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot for watching this tutorial. I really appreciate it. So if you have not used Systeme or haven't tested it out, you can actually create a free account. You're missing out big time. It is a great software. And all you gotta do is go to aranbukai.com/SIO. That will take you to the Systeme page. You enter your email, you create a free account, take it to a test drive. And when you feel confident, like you're ready to go and this is a good tool, the pricing is simply $27 a month, or you can also get $197 a year, which is pricing is not available on their website, but I have a special link for that if you want to take advantage of it. It's actually 10 times cheaper than the bigger competitors and so on, and it's a really good plan. So if you want to check it out, go to aranbukai.com/SIO and let me know once you had a bit of a look around. That's about it. If you have any other questions or tutorials that you'd like me to make on Systeme.io, definitely let me know. Leave a comment below. I will do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. And that's about it. Thanks. I'll speak to you soon.